Hey everyone, it's Derrick here with Moist Sauce Productions, and today we're doing a little quick tutorial on how to replace your MacBook Pro laptop battery. And this is for the mid 2015 and late 2015 model. So all others may or may not apply. So I'm just gonna ground myself real quick to this. And yeah, we'll get going. First, we're using the P5 in our iFixit kit. Keep track of these two middle bolts because they are a different size than the rest of them. As you can see over here, these two are a different size. Also, make sure to shut off your laptop so that there is no battery, or so that you don't have an issue with the computer being in sleep mode. Okay, now we're into the laptop. Here is your primary battery cell. So we're looking at this here, make sure it matches up. Looks like it matches up perfectly. And then we'll want to unplug this here. So this is our battery, so we're good to go and start messing around with this. Pretty stubborn, it's got some stickies on the bottom. Okay, well, we got everything out and mostly use this tool here. Yeah, as you can see now, this part is bent because there's glue here, 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 and here. So as you can see here, I have some isopropyl alcohol, and this was very helpful because the stickies on this battery, and I got to be careful here because this battery is still alive because I accidentally cut it and it sparked. So there are stickies here, and the isopropyl alcohol allows it to get this under here and get the sticky off of it. So we have our new battery here, and be careful with this as well because this, I believe, is to your mouse, and if you screw this up, then your mouse won't work anymore. Also, I'm a little bit weary of this because don't know if we just screwed up the entire mouse. So yeah, and just know that it basically takes this whole module out. So when putting this back in here, this will essentially go back on here, and then this will plug into there, and then these two will plug this into here. So you actually have to take a decent more out than I originally thought. But yeah, so taking into consideration, I'm looking at the batteries and it looks like it matches up. So that's good. And then iFixit's toolkit here says that, you know, after you install a new battery, you want to charge it to 100% and then leave it in there for an extra 2 hours after it's fully charged. And then yeah, it specifies that then you want to use the battery until it's 0% and then charge it fully to 100%. Here we have the battery pack, and then after you receive this here, you want to take off this here so that you can stick on the sticky parts of this. And this essentially, I believe, is supposed to be just one big sticky patch. So let's see here. No, it's not sticky. Am I supposed to take this? Supposed to take the entire thing off? Yes. I don't know why it has that on there then. What does this say? When you are installing the battery, please do not tear off the film on the battery. At first, after you install the battery, then you can take off the film. So I don't really understand that. Does it want you to put the battery on the tray first and then try to take the battery off? Like, how's that supposed to work? So if I put this in here, right, how am I supposed to take this off? Then does it want me to take this off after? I don't really understand that. I would just take this blue thing off right? Because, yeah. And then once that is off, then we're gonna try to place this. I think it's actually talking about trying to make sure you place this in the right spot. Looks like it's decently slotted in here. Okay, so that looks okay. How's this looking here? That's looking okay. That's lining up. That's lining up. Cool. And this can line up too. So yeah, maybe it means that you can tear off the film, and it's talking about this after this thing here. So yeah, we'll take this puppy off. I think I got this seated pretty decently in here. And then put the games in here. Okay, so we got everything placed back in here. Everything looks fine from the semi-fine. So we'll put this back on here. Jeez, I'm just manhandling this thing. And then hopefully it works. Oh, it turned on. That's a good sign. That means it's not completely dead. Have we done a successful battery transfer with the MacBook Pro? Okay, everything's back up and running. Let's see how the battery status is. Yep, no service on it anymore, so that's good. We've done it. We have successfully changed a MacBook Pro from 2015, I believe. Yes, mid 2015, and have brutally replaced the battery. Do this at your own risk. iFixit sends a replacement battery for you. I'm sure they have instruction videos, so you'd probably be better off watching their video and not my video. But it can be done. It's not that difficult. Let me know in the comments what you think, and we will see you in the next video.